Hello, welcome viewers. Welcome to the Nifty Daily Post-Market Technical Analysis show. In this show, I analyze Nifty based on price action, trend lines, support, resistance zones, and Fibonacci retracements. So before we get ahead with today's analysis, let us briefly review the previous analysis and the forecast we made and see how the market has played out today. So in the previous analysis, I have mentioned that the candle, that is the candle on 19th Jan, was a bearish harami, and it is coming below a resistance line and after a short rally. So it's a clear reversal sign of the previous rally. And I also mentioned that since we have a reversal, holding some short positions and having good trailing stop loss and holding on to the downtrend is the way to go ahead. So based on the opening, I have given a few trade. I have charted out a rough trade plan. So let us see where Nifty opened today on 20th Jan. So Nifty opened at 18115. So okay, that falls in this above 18100 bracket. So if Nifty opened above 18100, I mentioned not to initiate any long positions until 18100 is sustained after the first 15 minutes. It's 19 hours. And I also mentioned that if shorts are initiated, the stop loss should be 18150 or wait for a good reversal and initiate short positions. Let us see how the intraday trend today is, how the intraday price action is. Okay, so that brings us to this is the first candle at 9:50. So, so within the first 15 minutes, the price got slightly sold off. It dropped in the next 15 minutes also. So it dropped up to 18,075, 18,080 level, and after that it got some support and it picked up pace and moved up to 18,140 level. So that is the 18,150 resistance level which I mentioned yesterday. So then from that resistance point onwards, it's a one-way fall with occasional price retracements. And Nifty found support at 18,025, 21, that kind of level. And this kind of was a support on this day too, on 17th Jan. On 17th Jan. And it was an opening on 16th Jan. So yeah, it makes sense that price found support here today. Okay, anyway, the overall price action today shows that Nifty found some support at yesterday's lows and it tried to break above the previous session highs, and but it could not. So from the that resistance, it actually broken. It has broken below the previous lows and closed even lower than the bullish candle on 18th Jan. So this is much more clearer when we zoom out into the daily level. So at the daily level, as we can see, Nifty opened almost within the previous bearish harami. It tried to go above that. No, it could not because of the resistance. Then it fell below the previous harami lows, and it eventually closed below the lows of the this bullish candle. So this is a good reversal confirmation. So now that we have a reversal confirmation, what to do ahead? So this is the second candle in a reversal confirmation. Usually, um, a reverse trend, there would be three consecutive bearish candles. So if we count the first harami as one, this is second, and there will be at least one more reversal candle. So we can, I mean, to a good extent, with a good probability, assume that Monday is also going to be a red day. But it is difficult to say how far the price will fall. So, but whatever short positions that are there can be held on at least till Monday end of the day, and then depending on the price action there, you can decide. Okay, so now that we have observed the price action, let us also read the cues from trend lines and other support lines. So, okay, this is even more interesting. Yesterday, I mentioned that this Harami was testing this falling resistance line, which started from the all-time highs and it got tested here. So today also the candle tried to go up and test this falling resistance line. It could not go beyond that. So it had faced resistance and fell below. It even it actually opened below this long running upward trend line. So eventually it fell below both these lines. So this is also in the, I mean, looking at this angle also, it's a good reversal. And yeah, you have to hold the short position and see how far the trend goes. At this point, we don't have a target picture, but there are some near support zones I will mention later. And looking at the Fibonacci retracements, wait, this is the retracement from these lows. No, sorry. This is the retracement from all-time highs to this low point. Okay. So what is this? Yeah. So we can see that on 18th Jan, price has retraced up to 38% and is now falling and is kind of almost it tested this 23% retracement level and held there. So if price breaks below this level, I have been telling this for a long time though. If price breaks below this 17,750 level, we can see much more downside. Until then, we have to just stay with the price and see what happens. But at least on Monday, I expect another third red candle to happen. And okay, there is a long-term Fibonacci retracement, but I don't think that will be telling much because the price is playing in a very tight range. Okay, all right. There's nothing much to observe and conclude from this long-term retracement. All right. So overall, the story is clear. This is a reversal signal. This is a reversal confirmation. And now we have to see how far this trend goes. Okay. And to conclude the observations, um so this analysis is for the forecast is for 23rd Jan. So the candle, today's candle confirms the reversal after the previous bearish harami, and also it has tested the falling resistance line again and closed below the bullish candle of 18th Jan. So all these things make this a very good reversal confirmation. And one thing to notice, the candle has closed above the 18K support level, and the trend overall now can be confirmed as a downtrend. So VIX has fallen, which means the puts I have, I mean, if anybody has shorted with buy puts, they may not have, made good profits depending on where they have taken the puts, because as the VIX keeps falling, the puts wouldn't gain much appreciation as the price falls. Okay, but it's a good time to sell calls on highs. So I suggest the same thing. If you have the capital on a very high on Monday, you better sell calls and cash out the profits towards the end of the day. So the support right now, first support is at 18,000. Next one is approximately at 19,000, 17,975, and the third support is at 17,930. So this particular support between 17,930 to 17,900 will play a crucial role on Monday, is what I believe. So Monday, I think at least the price will go and test this particular 17,930 level, and we don't know what will happen there. So that can be a profit-taking level. And if the price fall continues after that, then maybe more short positions can be initiated. And the resistance is lies at 18,080, and then after that at 18,150, and beyond that at 18,200. So now that the reversal is confirmed, sell on highs and book profits around support. Stay with the trend as long as it lasts. So Considering the opening, this is the action plan for Monday, 23rd Jan. So if the price opens above 80, in any case, don't go long until the price sustains above 18,100. That is the default scenario. But to short, if price opens above 18,100, wait and watch. Short it closer to 18,150, kind of that level. Or if the price falls below quickly, well, if the price quickly falls below 18,100. But if price opens between 1850 to 18100, you can short it closer to 18100 level and then hold the shorts with a trailing stop loss. If price opens between 18,000 to 18150, that is this is like most likely scenario. Which if that happens, take short positions at open and mm, like hold it till at least like price hits 17,930 like that. If the price opens below 18,000, which is a gap down scenario, then in that case take short positions at open because 18,000 being a support, this means that the support is taken down and the gap may act as a strong resistance. So take short positions at open and see how far Nifty goes down. But 7,900 to 930 can play as a immediate support. So watch the price action there and take actions accordingly. So that's the analysis, post-market analysis of Nifty for 23rd Jan. So I hope everyone will have another good trading session and keep your capital safe and make well-informed wise decisions. See you in another post-market analysis session. Thank you.